ITT Cannon's APD Circular Connector series offers a full range of lightweight, fully plastic, environmentally resistant electrical connectors. Designed in accordance with ISO 15170, the APD series provides the perfect cost-efficient interconnect solution whenever harsh environment applications require high sealing grades and vibration resistance. The APD series covers a wide range of power solutions with up to 51-way interface connectors, special sensor and interchangeable modular mounting frames. Connectors are designed to manage power ranges from 8.5 amps all the way up to 245 amps per contact. The APD series operating temperature range is -40 degrees Celsius up to 125 degrees Celsius. To improve reliability and vibration resistance, the APD series comes with bayonet coupling and individual wire seals. The APD series offers a variety of mechanical and color coding options. Additional features include tactile and visual feedback to guarantee safe and reliable mating. APD connectors accept machined and stamped contacts in various sizes, materials, and plating. This contact system accommodates wire gauge sizes from 22 to 0. The APD connector series is supported with a wide range of accessories and tooling. APD connectors are ideal for rugged, heavy equipment, transportation, off-road, and specialty vehicle applications that require a low total cost of ownership, ease of assembly, and provide reliable performance while meeting the environmental sealing needs. Discover the full range of APD products online today.